since I started cycling, Tour de France was, I'm never dreaming to be part of Tour de France, but now, I can't believe it. To win in Tour de France, second year in the big bunch sprint, for me was unbelievable. I just want to say thank you to my family, my wife, all the Eritrean and African. We must be proud. Now we are really part of the big races, and then we success a lot of victories. So now it's our moment, it's our time. I just want to say congrats also to my whole team, especially Jean-Francois, because we didn't have a victory in Tour de France yet, but now is our moment, and I'm super happy.
Because this is a victory for you, it's a victory for Africa.
Absolutely, this means, it's for all African. Congrats, I would say. I'm just super happy today.